Hello everyone and welcome to my Python short video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use variable in Python. My name is Chenrui and let's get started. Variable is a very popular concept across multiple programming languages. Basically, it allows you to store data inside. So I'm going to show you how to use variable in Python shell. In Python, you can pick a name and then specify that name as a variable. For example, here I can use the name wall to be my variable name. And I can assign data to it. For example, here if I assign a 10 to the variable wall, then I successfully create a variable wall. So now I can print the value of variable wall using Python's built-in function print. And once I hit enter, it shows 10 there. That actually indicates that the variable wall has value 10 in it. And later you are able to change the value in the variable to something else. For example, here if I change to 20, if I print it again, you're going to show me that this variable wall is 20. And you are also able to specify a new variable using a different name and then assign different value in there. And now if we print out this new variable, what2, we're going to print out the hello world. So basically we use variable to store data inside. And that's how you use variable in Python. So hopefully this makes sense. Thank you for watching and I'm going to see you in next one.